Hello dear, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you have a good start of the day. I'm your course instructor Muhammad Ismail and welcome to my channel Be Coder. Today we will look writing C++ program, structure of C++ program, header file, preprocessor directory, main function, C++ statement, keywords, and the last tokens. So let's go toward its explanation phase. So start from the first one, writing C++ program. Just like regular routine in our life, if we have to store something, we put it in some container. Similarly, if we code, we need to reserve some space from it to store it. The source code is stored on the disk with extension .cpp in a text format. After that, the compiler just translates their extract file having extension .cpp into machine. That machine code is called object code. The object code is then linked into libraries. Then new file were created with extension .exe. For example, if we write some code, as you can see in your screen, so what's happened here? First cpp file were created, then object first.object, and the last first.exe file were created by our computer. So the second topic is structure of C++ program. C++ consists of three parts: preprocessor directory, main function, and then the last C++ statement. So what is a preprocessor directory? A set of instructions that are given to a compiler before the beginning of the program. It may be take input from the user or something else, also known as a compiler directory. Normally start from hash. Example, hash include stream. It is already defined what is mean by it. The next slide is header file. Header file is a C++ source file that contains definition of library function object. Header file are added during compilation time. Here is the main function. The main function indicates the beginning of the program. We are compile the code our program start reading from the main function. Without the main function, there is no project or simple code can be run. There must be one main function in the project. And notice there is only one function in a project. One main function. The next slide is C++ statement. Statement of the program is written under the main function between the curly braces. Each statement ends with semicolons. For your instance, as you can see in your screen, include stream is a header file, and int main is a main function, and there is a curly braces, and after that there is a statement which prints the hello world. And after that, as you can see in the last, semicolon is there. So if we remove the semicolon, it will give you the error. The next slide is keywords. Words that are used to identify something. Include use for add to header file. The word main is used for starting of the program. As we already discussed, main function is the starting of the program. The next slide is token. A program contains a variable, keywords, constant, operators, etc. These are called tokens. So thanks for watching. Keep learning.